Take. Do you know to calculate simple interest? From where banks get money to pay interest to all their customers. Watch this video completely to get to know about that. Welcome to Easy Mathsy makes maths easy. Today we are going to see about all about banking. First we will see functions of banks. Means how banks are functioning. When we keep certain amount of money in bank account, bank will pay us some interest amount that will be added to amount we deposited in our account. There are many types of accounts can be maintained in bank for simple savings account for those who pay certain amount every month for certain period of time, that is called recurring deposit, and for those who deposited huge amount of money for certain period of time, that is called fixed deposit, and so on. There are many more accounts are there. How they can get money, how they can give money to the customers? They get money by giving loans to others who are eligible person with some interest, from which they can give interest for depositors and to function the bank. Bank sanction loan for eligible person who could able to pay back. There are different types of loans available. Few are home loans, educational loans, vehicle loan, personal loan, and so on with a different rate of interest. How to calculate simple interest? Simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100, where P is principal amount, T is time period, R is rate of interest. We'll see one example. A bank is offering 3% simple interest on saving account. If you deposit 5,000, how much interest you will earn in 1 year? Here, P is 5,000, T is 1 year, R is 3%. Now we know that interest is equal to PTR by 100. So it is taken first P 500, 1 year, and 3 by 100. Now we will calculate that. This two zeros will get cancelled. 5 threes are 15 and this 0. So 150 is the interest for 5,000 for 3% for 1 year. In 1 year, that 5,000 will become, so 5,000 plus that amount will become principal plus interest. That is equal to 5,000 plus 150. That is equal to 5,150 rupees. So in the end of the year, they will get 5,150 rupees. Next sum. To buy a car, Asha borrowed 50,000 rupees for 3 years at an annual simple interest rate of 9%. How much interest will she pay if she pays the entire loan off at the end of the third year? What is the total amount that she will repay? See the difference. In previous sum, there was only 3% bank gives us, but when they are giving for others loan, they will collect from us more, very much more rate of interest. This is how they are running their bank, and they can give us interest amount also. So now we will see buy a borrowed how much amount? 15,000. So here we take P is equal to 15,000, and time is 3 years, and simple interest is 9%. That is rate of interest we can take 9%. So now we will find out I is equal to P into T into R into 100. That is 15,000 into T is 3 and R is 9 by 100. And this 2 zeros, 2 0 will get cancelled. Now 405 and this 0 will come. 0. So 4050 is the interest. When she should pay, she have to add this amount with the 15,000. So that amount, how much she have to pay back? 15,000. That amount, along with that, this interest amount we found 4,050. That also she should pay back. That is equal to 19,050. That is the total amount she need to pay back. Understood? Now I'll see one more sum. Joshua deposited 1,000 into a retirement account when he was 18. How much will Joshua have in his account after 50 years at a yearly simple interest rate of 7.5? So here principal is equal to 1,000 rupees. Time is equal to 50 years. From the day he put, he have to calculate from the day he put till 50 years. Simple interest rate of interest is equal to 7.5%. Now you multiply interest is equal to P into T into R into R by 100. PTR by 100. So 1000 into 50 into 7.5 divided by 100. As usual, these two zeros will get cancelled. And now for this one, 75 into 7 is equal to 375. And this for this point, the 0 will go off and only 1 0 is there. So 3,750 rupees is the rate of interest. We'll have add 1,000 rupees added with add this 1,000 rupees also along with this. Say the 1,000 rupees to 3,750 rupees for just 1,000 rupees. But time is 50 years. So now the answer is 4,750. So that much he will be having in that particular account. Children, a bank offering 3.5% simple interest on a saving account. If you deposit rupees 7,500, how much interest will you earn in 2 years? Here P is 7,500. Rate of interest is 3.5 and 2 years. Time is 2 years. So you know that PTR by 100 how to do. In how many years will 1,200 yield interest 180 at 3% simple interest? Thank you children. See you in next video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Share and subscribe to Easy Mathsy YouTube channel.